Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Sir Hollandia, on this video, I want to make a video about retelling. The title is The Romance of Train Travel. Okay, on this video, I want to a retelling. For the first, I want to introduce myself. My name is Julhijah Manissa Adha with student number 2130205116. Okay, listen to me carefully. The romance of train travel. As I observed the rising popularity of luxury train travel, sleeper car trips, observation dump cars, and refurbished classic trains that bring back a long past era of elegant train travel, I think, of course, it makes perfect sense. For whatever reason it went out of style, there is plenty of reason for it to come back now. The elegant, the uh, the elegant style of train passed away because of a confluence of economic and political factors, along with arbitrary changes of styles that take place over time in a revolving culture. The most obvious reason was the rise of the air travel. The new medium of transportation was blatantly superior to trains in many ways, so it superseded them as the principal medium of long-distance travel. So train travel became past train travel became an air and air travel became the new modern way of traveling. Okay, uh, there is, according to ayat suci Al-Quran, is Al-Baqarah ayat 165. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين آمنوا أشد حبا لله. The meaning is, people who believe have a stronger love for Allah subhanahu ta'ala. Okay, I think that's all about my retellings about. The title is The Romance of Train Travel. I hope you enjoy my video. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.